Good morning everyone. So for this video, magko-configure tayo ng Windows Firewall para mag-block ng internet connection ng isang application. Una is, search natin yung Windows Firewall. Click natin to. Then, makikita natin sa left side yung Advanced Settings. I-click natin tong Advanced Settings. Then, lalabas na yung Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Or pwede naman gawin yung Windows plus R, then lalabas tong panel na to, then tatype nyo ng wf.msc. Press enter, then lalabas na yung advanced security. So makikita nyo dito yung inbound rules and outbound rules. So yung inbound rules, ito yung mga traffic coming into the computer. Then yung outbound rules naman, ito yung traffic going out of the computer. So dito sa Windows Firewall is gagawa tayo ng rules para i-block yung internet connection from an application. Basically, yung Windows Firewall is a security system na nagmamonitor ng mga incoming and outgoing network traffic. Siya yung nag-a-allow or nagbablock ng traffic based doon sa mga rules na nakalagay sa atin. These rules can be created for specific applications, for ports, for protocols, or IP addresses. So yung pipiliin nating application na ibablock is yung Google Chrome. So alam naman natin yung Google Chrome na isang web browser na develop by Google, and lagi siyang kumo-connect sa internet dahil para mag-load ng website, mag-sync ng user data, and mag-download ng updates and etc. Dahil lagi siyang kumo-connect sa internet, mas maganda siyang example para sa demonstration na ito. So, paano natin may bablock yung internet connection ng Google Chrome? So, dahil yung Google Chrome is gumagamit ng internet access, gagawa tayo ng outbound rules. So, right-click natin tong outbound rules. Kiklik mo tong new rule, or magkikreate tayo ng new rule. Then, lalabas yung rule type. So, for the rule type is, meron dito tayong option na program, port, predefined, or custom. So, gagamitin natin yung program dahil isang application lang naman yung gagamitin natin, and specific program siya. So, dito naman is mamimili tayo kung all programs ba yung bablock natin or yung specific program lang. So, kiklik natin itong this program path dahil isa lang yung Google Chrome lang naman ang ating ibablock. Babrowse natin yung destination ng exe. So, makikita natin siya sa program files. Commonly, nasa program files siya. Google, Chrome, application, and chrome.exe. Open natin siya. Then next. So for the action naman, ano yung gusto natin gawin? Dahil nga gusto natin i-block yung internet connection ng Google Chrome, itong option ang ating pipiliin. Block the connection. Next. So when does this rule apply? Applies when a computer is connected to its corporate domain. So check natin yan. Kung gusto nyo man domain din. Applies when a computer is connected to a private network location. So, check din natin yan. Applies when a computer is connected to a public network location. So, check natin siya lahat para may block na natin yung internet connection. Then, dito naman for the last section is yung name. Kahit anong name na ilagay nyo dyan, basta ma-identify niya yung rule. So, example natin dito is block Google Chrome internet access. So, for the description naman is optional lang siya. Then, click natin itong finish. So, As you can see, nandito na siya sa outbound rules. Block Google Chrome Internet Access. Ngayon naman, i-verify natin kung na-block na yung internet access doon sa Google Chrome. So, open natin yung Google Chrome. Then, magte-test tayo ng search tayo. So, as you can see, successful yung blocking natin dahil nakalagay dito sa ating webpage is this site cannot be reached or error, quick protocol error. So yung rule na to, siya yung nagsasabi dun sa Windows Firewall na i-block yung request doon sa Google Chrome. Then, kung gusto naman natin na i-allow ulit yung internet access doon sa Google Chrome, i-edit natin or i-disable natin yung rule na ginawa natin. So, itong block Google Chrome internet access, i-disable natin yung rule or pwede natin siyang i-delete. Parehas naman yan is gagana. So, disable natin yung rule. Then, i-verify natin sa Google Chrome kung gumana na siya. Pag-refresh natin, yan. Meron na siyang lumabas na nag-load na yung website na ating sinesearch. Then, meron ako dito ang hinandang simpleng flowchart on how Windows Firewall blocking works. So, meron ditong app send request or Google Chrome send the request. Then, Windows Firewall check the rules. And for the decision, is there a block rule found in the rule list? Then, pag nakita yung rule na yon na naka-block or kasama doon sa block rule, idadrop yung traffic. Then, hindi na mag-load yung website. Then, kung wala namang block rule na nakita about doon sa traffic na yon, yung traffic na yun is i-allow and yung website ay maglo-load na successfully. And that's all for this video demonstration, and thank you so much for watching.